So hi, it's me Irfan, and today I would like to show you how to split screen so you can display two windows in the equal size in one screen of your laptop using Windows 10. So today I have a PDF file in Arabic, so this is how I use split screen. I use it to translate from a PDF file like this, and I want to translate here in Microsoft Word document. So you can display these two apps instead of opening one window to another window. You can simply split display this in one screen. So here we go. In order to do that, you have to press here, press and hold like this, and drag to the left or the left until you see a shadow of the window like this. And now you will be prompted to display another window on the right side, and you have to choose the Microsoft Word like this. And now you can start adjust the size of your document, and now you can start typing like this, and now you can start working. For this time translation, I will show you okay, like this and so on. You can also make this, you can also display until 4 windows in Microsoft in Windows 10 like this. So now we have three windows here, and I want to display until 4 windows at the same screen like this. Move to the corner like this until you see the shadow of your windows, and like this. And now you move it again like this, and you will be prompted to like this. This is 3 windows, and now you can set it to the 4 like this. And now you have 4 windows on your screen. You can, this is the source language, this is the target language, and this is I want to open Arabic dictionary, and now I want here to display English dictionary. So this way I don't need to open each windows separately like this. So I can display 4 windows at the same time. Or if you are not comfortable with the small size of the windows, you can simply put like this this way, and this way, and now you can make it the document a bit bigger like this. This is more comfortable for me while working on translation when I cannot use memo queue or SDL traders. Okay, this is for me about how to split screen in Windows 10. Thank you very much. See you.